Hey guys, here's another video of a helicopter, and this time we're at Natividad Medical Center, and you guys can see they're about to transport a lady off to UCSF in San Francisco. I saw the lady myself. She looked pregnant, and that's what it's for. They take pregnant women and newborns to the hospital. Sometimes they transport them here, but this time I saw them taking the lady. I don't know if you guys could hear my voice over all the sound from the rotor of this helicopter. As you guys can see, they're about to leave. We're gonna start switching. It looks like they're doing a lot of stuff. That's what it sounds like. I don't want to go in front of them. That's gonna look weird. They're gonna see me like, what the fuck is this kid doing in front of us? Yeah, I'm just recording them from this side. Last time on my CalStar video, I recorded them from right in front. But they're taking a while. There they go. They're actually heading off to UCSF over in San Francisco, which is about 2 hours away from Salinas, California. It takes less time for them though, since of course they're in a helicopter. But yeah, anyways, just wanted to make a little short vid of the helicopter taking off, because I really enjoy. I like the sound too. I like the sound of it. Even though you guys can't see it from like my view, it looks better in my view. It looks lower and bigger. But anyways, you guys can see I'm riding my bike. And I'll see you guys next time. Later.